This is what you can do with a block of tempeh and a few more ingredients. Welcome back to Street Food Made Vegan. In today's episode, we're gonna be making tempeh mendoan, a popular high-protein street food from Indonesia made with tempeh and usually served with delicious Kecap manis or sambal. Let's make it. Start by thinly slicing a block of tempeh and marinate it with tamari sauce. Combine gluten-free plain flour, rice flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, pepper, turmeric, ground coriander, and garlic powder. Mix, then add water a little at a time and whisk well until well combined. Add some chopped spring onions and let it rest for at least 5 minutes. Dip the tempeh slices into the butter, making sure they are covered with spring onions, and fry in hot vegetable oil until golden. It's super tasty without sauce or with this thick and sweet, salty and slightly spicy Kecap manis. All instruction in caption. Buon appetito!